Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about 2023 goals. Let's do this. Goals cannot be created without looking at your accomplishments. I don't know if someone said this or if I heard it somewhere. I'm sure I did. I did not come up with this. I'm not that clever. But I think it is very important to start off on a good note where you review your accomplishments from 2022. Now, in the description below, there is a link to this PDF. It's got these worksheet pages in it. Please download it so that you can complete your accomplishments. So for me specifically, I really tried to focus on things that I did well and trying to put a positive spin on things that I learned. So in 2022, I made 50 Teachers Pay Teachers products, which was very exciting. I started in March, so I felt like that was a great number. I became better at budgeting. By no means am I perfect, but I became much better when it came to budgeting and learning how to budget my income and cut in places where I could save money. I also tried new ways of making money online, and this goes hand in hand with my goals for 2023. And one thing I did was I gained clarity of what kind of job I wanted. And then I pushed myself to try new things. For example, I started a YouTube channel. So one thing I think is important is do not be afraid to dream, but dream realistically and have an action plan to make your dream come true. So all of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And this was a quote from Walt Disney. So here is your page where you can write down your 2023 goals. So 2023 goals. For me, I want to make enough money to work from home for a year. I know how much I need to make and where I can cut my budget further to make this a reality. Now, this goal came from getting clarity on what kind of work I wanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to diversify my online income. So I'll make a video where I talk about diversifying my income, but that is something that I want to do. Another goal I want to be healthier, more positive, and kinder to myself. A great example of this is knowing when to take a break and not beating myself up for taking a break. I know that in December I had this great idea for a series of videos, but I just got really burnt out with my other side projects, and I took that time off to kind of recharge my batteries, and I've got just so many great ideas. So instead of beating myself up for what I didn't do, I know exactly what I want to do for next December. And my goal is to have 125 products on Teachers Pay Teachers. Now, when I say dream realistically, I would love to have like 200 products, but with my workload and my other side hustles that I'm going to be doing, I won't have the bandwidth, the ability, the capability to do that. So I feel like 125 products is a fantastic number, and it is a realistic number for me. Now, I really want to be monetized on YouTube in 2023. This is all up to you. Everyone has been amazing with their comments and subscribing and liking the videos, and I wanted to take a minute to thank you for that. But my goal is to be monetized on YouTube for 2023 so I can pursue some of the ideas that I have for content and content creation, and it makes me very excited to share my experiences and some of my knowledge as a graphic designer with other people online who are excited to learn about new things. So hopefully I will be monetized on YouTube by the end of 2023. And how am I going to make that happen? I'm going to try very hard to post 2 videos a week, Tuesday and Thursday, consistently throughout the whole year. And if my calculations are correct, I will have to make 102 videos, which seems very doable to me. So my goal is to make 102 videos and hopefully be monetized on YouTube. And then my last goal is to take time to enjoy the holidays and the moments in life and to be more present. One thing that I started to do was to leave my phone in other areas. I decreased what apps I was using that really, took up my screen time, and then I typically will just leave it my phone in the other room or on the charger away from me when I'm in the room so that I don't have the temptation to use it all the time. So these are my 2023 goals. I am looking forward to hearing some of your goals or your accomplishments. Please leave them in the description below. And on Thursday, I'm going to be sharing with you how I create Teacher Pay Teacher holidays and how I come up with content ideas and stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I will see you on Thursday.